Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into a staple of educational tools, the Didax Unifix Cubes Set of 1000. These cubes are renowned for their quality and versatility in early childhood education. Stick around as we explore why they're considered one of the best in the market. The Didax Unifix Cubes Set of 1000 is designed to make learning math engaging and hands-on for young learners. They come in vibrant colors and are made from durable materials, ensuring longevity and safety. Made from safe materials, these cubes are built to last through countless hours of play and learning activities. They're not just colorful blocks. Unifix cubes help children grasp fundamental math concepts like patterning, counting, addition, subtraction, and more. Ideal for both classroom settings and home use, these cubes support various teaching methods and educational approaches. Imagine using these cubes to teach your child or students basic arithmetic. The hands-on experience encourages exploration and solidifies understanding in a way that textbooks simply can't. While there are other similar products on the market, the Didax Unifix cubes stand out due to their proven track record in educational settings. They've been a favorite among educators for years, thanks to their reliability and effectiveness in teaching math concepts. Let me show you how these cubes work in action. You can create patterns, group them for counting exercises, or even use them to visualize simple equations. This tactile approach really helps reinforce learning. Parents and teachers alike appreciate the practicality of these cubes. They're easy to clean, store, and transport, making them a versatile tool for on-the-go learning. Wrapping up, the Didax Unifix Cubes Set of 1000 is a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance early math skills through interactive and engaging play. Whether you're a parent, educator, or caregiver, these cubes are sure to spark curiosity and foster a love for learning. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and educational content. Thank you for watching Product Critique, where we help you make informed decisions about the products that matter most. Until next time, happy learning.